Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this beautiful embellished black top. Now I got the idea to do this from my sister. She's very stylish and she bought this really nice black 3/4 length top from Zara last year. It was about December time and it had feathers on it. It looked so nice. And I said to myself, okay, I'm gonna wait till January when the sales are on. Then I'm gonna buy the same top for less. So in January, I went shopping in Zara and the top was nowhere to be found. I was so mad and really upset. But then I sort of said to myself, okay, if I can't find it, let me see if I can create it. And I always say this to myself, that when you want something and you can't find it, that might just be an opportunity for you to create something. So in essence, create what you cannot find. So I decided to go to H&M. I bought this really cheap black sweater top. It's got a little bit of stretch in it. Then I went to my local haberdashery store and I picked up these embellishments that you see here. And all I've done is sewed it onto the top. And here you go. It's completely transformed a very simple, boring top into a top that now looks quite unique and I think quite stylish, if I say so myself. So if you want to learn how to create this top, please keep on watching. So first of all, you're going to need a black top, some dressmaking pins, a pair of scissors, and go to your local haberdashery store and pick up a fringe trim, about the same length as your collar. And I also pick up what I call a pom pom trim as well, but you can use any trim that you like. And then the first thing is to measure out your trim to make sure it's the same length as your collar. So I just place it on the collar itself, then give a few centimeters on either side of it and cut it. I do the same thing with the pom pom trim and I pop that just closer to the collar. I'm just matching it with the seam just underneath the collar and just giving a few centimeters on either side because you're going to tuck this underneath. Then using your dressmaking pins, just secure it so that it sits nice and flat and it's in line with the topmost seam. Take your time to do this so that it looks good. This is probably the most important part because everything else is easier after this. So I secured the pom pom trim first, then I went on and secured the fringe trim. I just eyeballed it, but you can measure it if you want to be more precise. I'd recommend starting from the center and then working your way out just to ensure everything looks flat, and that's it. So go to your sewing machine, or you can hand stitch if you prefer. What I did was at the start of the trim, I folded the excess under just to have a nice edge, and then I just went back and forth using a zigzag stitch at the beginning to lock the stitch, and then just stitch the whole thing. That's it really. So I did the pom pom trim first, then the fringe trim, and that was it. And this is what it looks like before, really boring, and here it is afterwards, looking amazing. So you can do it. Okay guys, so there you go. That is how you embellish a black top. It is so simple. You can do this in minutes. Literally, I had about 1 hour to get this done, and I think the sewing of it really only took me about 10-15 minutes, so it's really easy. And I think it's a lot of fun just to pick up really simple pieces of clothing and transform it into something that's different, it's unique, and that nobody else has. It just gives your clothing that very individual sort of edge. So I really encourage you to give it a go and let me know how you get on. Don't forget to like this video, to comment, to subscribe, and I look forward to creating some more of these how-to videos for you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.